Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is array. It's pronounced array, and it's spelt A-R-R-A-Y. Think A and then ray, spelt with two R's. An array is an impressive display or range of a particular thing. For example, you could say the garden is made up of an array of plants, or the library is filled with an array of books. The word array comes from the old French word arrayer or arrir, meaning to put in order. An array nowadays does not necessarily have to be in order, but just means a display or range of something. Did you know that a rainbow is made up of an array of colours? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Yesterday we learnt the word abbreviation. A helpful abbreviation to help remember these colours is the name Roy G. Biv. Array is most commonly used as a noun, a name for something, but it can also be a verb, a doing word. For example, you could use it as a noun and say there was an array of food on the table, or alternatively, you could use it as a verb. A large number of newspapers were arrayed on the stand. Array is defined in the dictionary as a large group of things or people, especially one that is attractive or causes admiration or has been positioned in a specific way. Array's synonyms include arrangement, lineup, formation, display, exhibition, range, and assortment. Antonyms include conceal, cover, destroy, disorder, and hide. See if you can notice an array of anything today. It could be as part of a display or something in nature. If you see some different colours in the sky whilst the sun is rising or setting today, you could point out that an array of colours are present. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.